it is yet another beautiful session when you are joining me into our today's topic. You've actually reached the final stages of the free smartphone graphic design, and because of that, by now your mind has been opened to designing. Okay, your mind has been structured to that of a graphic designer. Okay, and I hope that you'll be able to, your interest will be able to be captured in the main graphic training program when we'll be talking about how to do graphic designing using your computer. Now that is the main graphic designing. With that skill that you are going to learn, you can actually be able to be employed as a graphic designer of a given company. Okay, so many people today are looking for graphic designers, including big organizations like UNZA, University of Zambia. You've got big companies, okay, AB Bank and other other big organizations, and of course even Chaslife Foundation is looking for good graphic designers who are able to bring out the impact. So let's dive into it. So we designed the flyer, we designed the logo, we showed how to present your logo to a client, and of course we looked at a few things that, a few techniques, but one technique that we used was the the picture, the poster my wall.com. That is the website that we used. And of course we talked about, in case you don't want to design your logo using using poster my wall, because it's an online platform. We learned that there are so many platforms that you can use that have got these free designers. Okay, these free designing applications. So for instance, let's go to Play Store. We want to design a business card, so just say business card. Okay, business card designer. Okay, designing app. So you go to free. Okay, it is actually going to bring different applications. Okay, there's Canva, graphic designing, whatever, business card, business card maker, all those. So you can actually choose amongst these, and you can actually find one good one which is able to help you with designing your business card. However, you go ahead and install. Okay, and once you install, you can actually be able to come up with your design. But in our today's video, or in our today's lesson, we want to use poster my wall. Okay, this one is an online. You need to have your bundles on, your data on, for you to be able to design. So let's go ahead and do that. Of course, like you may know, this is just a basic knowledge that I'm giving you. You can be able to do your own good ones. Okay, so for the sake of knowledge, let's go ahead and do our site, the site that we've been using. Which site is that? Poster. Okay, poster my wall. Okay, it is there. Since it's already there, I've been using it to teach. Okay, or to design. I'll go ahead and click on it. Okay, poster my wall. Okay, all right, so we are there. So let's actually pick okay, let's go to business card. Okay, so let's go to business card. Let's search for business card. So there we are searching for business card. We want to design a business card. So as you may know, this is a site that can help you create so many things like we looked at in our previous lectures. If you haven't yet attended our first tutorials, and please go ahead and check out those videos. They'll really help you know one or two things about what we are dealing with today. So let's go. We are looking for business card. Of course, business card has got the front and the back. Okay, so all these, as you can see, these are templates. Okay, but I need something that has got both sides, so that once I edit, of course you can pick one, then you can actually pick another one, then you redesign it properly, put all what is needed. But for me, for the sake of this, and of course as you do that, you need to put it on the on the material that it needs. So as you can see, this one, the one that has got yellow, looks also nice, and it has got back and front. Okay, let's see something else which has got back and front. I need it to be in landscape, so let me try to see if I can find anything landscape. I can see this one that has got red. Okay, okay, let's try to look for something else. Anyway, since so we can see that one that has got red. Okay, so you can edit all these, however you need to choose which one you go for. Okay, so you can choose, I think I like this one better. Let's see. No, yeah, okay, I think I like this one better. Let's see, let me try out this. Okay, let me try out that. Okay, let me try out this. What is happening? Okay, it is opening. So our template is opening. I want to design that card I've seen, so I'm designing the back and the front. Let me see if I can do the landscape. I can turn my screen. Okay, so as you can see, okay, so let's begin working out. Okay, of course, you need to start with the first part. Okay, you need to start with the first part, and the first part, which one is our first part? This one. Okay, let's see if we can turn it again, turn the screen, maybe it can be bigger. Okay, okay, I'm increasing my screen because these things I can't see, so I've just increased my screen. Okay, now look at that. Okay, now to avoid this, we indicated that actually you can be able to reduce the you can actually be able to lock these items. Okay, so for the sake of that, let's now begin. Okay, so this is the front. Okay, so this front will replace it with our logo. Okay, now I'm trying to see if this is possible, because this already is becoming difficult. So because of that, I think let me just go and choose another one which has got only one on itself. Yeah, because this one, it's a bit difficult to play around with. This one is a bit difficult to play around with. Let's see. You can be able to do many things. Okay, however, because of time, I don't want to waste your precious time. Let me go back and choose something. Then I'll create everything from start. So because of time, let me just choose this one. Okay, let me just customize this template. Okay, so this is the back part. Okay, this is the back part. So because this is the back part, let's go ahead. Okay, so first of all, I have to start with a name. So let's go to the name. Okay, let's go to the name. Okay, so let's go to the name. We're editing the name. Of course, as you may have seen, okay, these components are very tiny, and they may be actually very difficult to. They may be difficult at some point to edit. Okay, they may be somehow difficult at some point to edit, but just play along with the system, and you'll be able to know how best you can actually deal with that case. Okay, so let's go ahead. Okay, so it has come. So let's see, what do I want to change? Okay, I want to change. Okay, so of course you need to click on where this one, as you can see, this is a logo, so I'll just delete it. So I'll just delete the logo. So I've deleted. Okay, because I've deleted the logo, I have to add one component. I'm adding a component, and what component am I adding? My logo. Okay, so let me go to my media, then I'm choosing what? I'm choosing a photo. Okay, so let's go there, elements. Okay, photo here, from my photo. Okay, so it's loading. So upload photo. Okay, click on upload photo. I'm going to browse. Okay, I'm going to browse, and what am I browsing? I'm browsing the logo. Okay, and that logo, where is it? I think that logo should be somewhere in the WhatsApp documents. So as you can see, you are able to see what we designed. Okay, this one. Okay, this one is our logo. Let's see if we can be able to export it. Okay, so here it is exporting. Okay, the logo is exporting. So depending on your internet, okay, depending on your internet, it may be actually. So as you can see, we've already it has it is shaping up. Okay, it is actually shaping up. Okay, so let's go. So I go to my name. Okay, go to name. Okay, let's see, because this one is a bit, I'll just delete everything so that I don't have problems. Okay, so I'll just add some more. So you can actually duplicate if you want. So I'm adding text, I'm adding new text. Okay, just plain text. Okay, I'm just adding plain text. So there, plain text. Let's go. Okay, plain text. What so I'm saying, what is my name? Okay, I'm going to say, okay, that is my name. So I've edited my name. Let's see how it looks. Okay, so I've edited my name. I'm sure by now you are very comfortable to work around that. Okay, I'm sure by now you're very comfortable to work around that. Okay, so because of that, I'll be changing my screen so that it meets my needs. Okay, so that's the name. Okay, the name is done. So there, let's put the position. Okay, let's put I can drag that. Have you seen where I'm dragging? I'm holding the left, then the left part, the edges of this thing, then I'm dragging it. Okay, as you can see, so the name has come. So we'll say this one, I can either duplicate this one. Duplicating it means that I'm replacing. Okay, I'm replacing. So let's go to I don't want to duplicate, but in case you want to duplicate, it means that you are changing it. It will be many, it will be 2. Okay, so I'm just going to go on that arrow down there on the left. As you can see down, there's an arrow, so I'll click on it, click on that arrow, then I'll go on duplicate. Okay, now when I do duplicate, have you seen what is happening? They are coming, there are 2 letters, I mean 2 names are coming. So the same name is actually coming in 2. So I'll just delete it because I don't want to use that. Okay, so I'll just add some more letters. I'll add text. Let me talk about, maybe let me do something fancy now this time around. Since I've been using one, let me do something fancy. Okay, so as you can see, you can use anything with effects, with special effects. Okay, you can use something with special effects on fancy, or you can use just something that is just normal. Okay, just for fancy. Let's see, I think I like this one. I like this one. Okay, I like that one. Yeah, I think I like that one. So color, which one? I think, let me see if blue is okay. Okay, so okay, so let's see, I think, let's see if we can choose the green. Okay, I think that is okay. So add text here. Okay, so we can say graphic. Okay, I can say graphic designer, so we remove that. Okay, so we say graphic designer. Okay, so when we say graphic designer, so add fancy text. So have you seen, it has come? You guys, isn't this amazing? So graphic designer. Okay, so here you would actually know that actually for real this person is a graphic designer because the design looks really good. Okay, so graphic designer. Okay, so of course here I can come and change my contacts. So we say +2 plus, so 260 260, that's our country code. Okay, that's our country code. Then we go to, okay, that's our country code. So we just come here, 72372. Then we say 72344 and 6. Okay, so say that is a number. Okay, but please don't call that number. Okay, just use it for learning. Okay, so let's go to, so that is our number. Let's go now to email. Okay, let's go to email. So email, we're going to edit the email. And how are we going to edit the email? We're just going to actually put our own. So we just say Michael there. Okay, there, and we are good to go. We are good to go, guys. Chaslife Foundation.org. Nice. Okay, isn't this nice, you guys? Okay, isn't this amazing? So of course, there, once we are done, we come to the website. So there's a, okay, so we come to the website. Come to the website, and this is www.chaslife.foundation.org. okay, .org. So there, so this button that I'm clicking down on your, down left, on your left, is the one that I'm using to navigate around. I'll click on the words, then I'll click on the button on the top, on the bottom right. Okay, bottom right. So when I click on it, it will actually change the sign. Have you seen the arrow? Okay, so let's see, say what's our address? That's our address. Let's say our address is, okay, what's our office address in this case? So we say Jesmundin Central Street, plot 33, Mambula Street. Okay, or Central Street. Or Central Street is already there. Jesmundin Central Street, plot 33, plot 33, Lusaka, Zambia. Okay, there, you guys, isn't this amazing? So because I love everything that is here, okay, because I love everything that is here, I'll just leave it like that. Okay, because I love everything that is here, I'll actually leave it like that. So because I'm done, I'll just go and export. How do I export? No, not there. I'll just go on the top left here where there are 3 dots. I'll just click on it, then I'll go on publish. Okay, publish. So there on publish, I'm downloading it. Okay, there I'm downloading it. Okay, I'm downloading it now. Why? Okay, so I'm trying to download. Do it again. Okay, let's see if we can just click on download direct. Okay, download. Now it has come, so we go on downloads. Okay, now we've copy of green, white, whatever poster open. Okay, it is already there. Now since it's already there, this is the behind part of the card. So let's create the first, the front one. The front part is not difficult, because the front part, you are not supposed to add most of the stuff. You remove actually literally everything. So let me remove these things. Okay, of course, if you want, you may actually put a photo. Okay, just a photo if you want. Okay, so let me remove these things. Let me remove all of them. Okay, so I'll start with those things. So I'll just click there, the bottom left, remove, come there, remove, get out, move, out, name out, everything out, even these dots out. Okay, now, oh my goodness, I've just chased one of the good things that I need. Okay, so because I've done that, I'll just come here. I've deleted something that I didn't want to delete, so I just come here on the left, bottom left. I just come here on this arrow, just click on it. Okay, then it will start bringing things that I deleted according to the order. Okay, so you can see that actually that I deleted this design is the one I needed, so I will start deleting these things one by one. So delete, 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 delete. Oh my goodness, again. Okay, so meaning that this thing has got in this one, it is together with, let's see, yeah, that one is together with the whole system, so meaning I have to leave that one on. Okay, we'll see how I'm going to deal with that so that I get rid of these things that okay, let's see. Okay, how about that? Okay, no, again. Okay, so we've learned that that is part of the system. Actually no, I didn't want that in this line. Okay, so now have you seen that these, but I want these white things to go away. So what I'll do is I'll just add some, I'll add some element there. Just go on element, then shape. Okay, this shape I want it to hide these things. Okay, just this, let me add it there. Okay, this shape, let me put it there. I want it to hide things, so let me choose a color white. So now the lining, opacity, the lining, okay, the lining white. Okay, as you can see they've gone. So I just bring my logo here. So because this logo is what, so I have to bring it up. Okay, I have to bring this logo up. Okay, I have to bring this logo up. Okay, so what I can do is okay, so I'll bring this logo up. So as you can see here, there is backwards. As you can see on top there is backwards and the bottom. So here I will bring it on top. Okay, top. Let's see how that works out. Okay, since this is still the case, so I'll just do this. Just bring this one to the back, send it to the back. Let's see if it does. Okay, now if I've sent back, as you can see here, I've sent back, but certain things are not coming out well, so meaning this thing is not working out very well. So what I'll do is just do back, until it disappears. Then what I'll do is I'll just ensure that this thing, I'll just delete this. I'll just delete the logo. I'll edit it again. I'll add it again. Okay, since I've deleted the logo, let me just add it again. I'm just adding it again. Let's see. Okay, now it has come on top. So I want it, so mostly the front part of the this any business card is mostly what is happening? Okay, so the front part of the any business card is normally normally it doesn't have things. It normally has no stuff. Okay, so there, since I wanted to just bring it here. Okay, so yeah, let's see. Okay, so I'm just bringing it like this. Okay, so I want to put, so as you can see, let's now put some text. Just this side is very much plain, so let me add some text. Just plain text this time around. Plain text. Let me add what plain text. So we can say maybe together we can empower many. We can empower many with needs. Okay, so that is done. Just like that. So you can of course change. Let me just change the look of the. Let me just change the text, the font. Let me just change the font. Okay. Okay. And just the mistake I made, I'm just reversing it. So let's go. So let me just change the font. Okay, font. What font do I want? I want something that looks bold-ish. Okay, this is an official. This one is an official piece of paper, so it needs something that looks formal. It's actually a formal writing. It's some formal piece of material, so it has to be formal. Okay. So just like that. Okay, so you guys, isn't this nice? So together we can empower many with needs. Okay, together we can empower many people. Let's actually include many people there. Many people with needs. Many people with needs. Okay, many people with needs. Okay, can actually empower many people with needs. Okay. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so if that has been done, of course the text, you can actually be able to explore more, but for now, for the sake of learning, let me actually remove this as well. Let me remove this. Okay, let me remove this. So we are good to go. We are good to go, guys. So let's actually just increase this a bit. We are good to go. You guys, isn't this amazing? Isn't this nice? So let's see if I want, I can actually increase that a bit, but no, for now it's okay. Let's go. So I'll go and actually download this. Okay, so I'll download this. So please be able to do your own. This logo, you can actually find it. You can have request for it, then you have it, then you can actually be able to create your own. Yes, download. Let's see if there'll be two. Okay, so now that I've done, now to present to a client, you need to have it on one piece of paper. Okay, you need to have it on one piece of paper, so that they know how the front and the back will look. So let's go. We'll use Pixel Lab. Okay, we use Pixel Lab. So let's open our Pixel Lab. So what background do I need? Just need a white background. So there, just need a white background. That's what I need. Okay, but not pure white. I just need something that looks darkish, so that I'm able to differentiate between those. Okay, so now let me add my two pictures there. Okay, let's open. Okay, so here they are. So this is the front part. Look at how amazing this look, you guys. Okay, so this is this is our first part. Of course, you can actually change the background. You can, if you want, you can actually use that one. Okay, if you want, you can use that one, but okay, you can use that one if you want. Let's use this one instead of that. Okay, so let's go. Yeah, this is okay. Let's go put it there. Okay, now this is just to show that this is how your work will look like. Okay, I've designed a business card, and you're able to get money from this. You can get a 500 just from this. You go in town, have it printed, and you are good to go. And you are good to go, guys. Okay, you have it in printed, then maybe it will cost you less. So that profit on top, you can actually be able to use it for doing different things that you may need. Okay, all right, so look at how amazing this looks. So now we even save it. Okay, let's save it. Save as image. Yes, let me save as image. Okay, nice. So now that it has been saved, let's go and view it. Let's see how it looks. Let's see how it looks. Isn't okay? So let's see how it looks. Look at how amazing this looks. This is a picture. Look at how amazing it looks. You go to a client to say, we will design such kind of work for you. How amazing this is. I love it myself. I don't know about you. Okay, so therefore go ahead and design 3 business cards. Design one business card. Okay, the first business card, you should design it for me. Okay, design one business card for me using the details that are on that business card, the contacts and everything. Design it for me as a graphic designer. Secondly, design the business card for yourself as a graphic designer. Okay, for Chaslife Foundation, since you have only one logo, so use for Chaslife Foundation. Then thirdly, design one for your friend, any friend. If you want, you can go ahead and look at any person that you can go on our website, see all the people that are there, then pick your favorite from the list of board members or the list of members, then pick one and design for them a business card in their field or with their position. Okay, so with that being clear, thank you so much. We will talk in the next video. Goodbye.